Papaya, native to southern Mexico and Central America, is now grown in most tropical areas. Called the food of the angels by Christopher Columbus, it's praised by health professionals for its numerous benefits. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, papaya is a superfood that supports cancer prevention, digestion, heart health, and skin and hair care. As dried fruit snacks become more popular, it's important to note that while drying may reduce some nutrients, most remain intact. However, added sugars can negate the health benefits. The drying method, such as heating or freeze drying, also impacts nutrient retention, especially for vitamin C and carotenoids. Studies show that treating papaya with calcium lactase before drying improves its quality by reducing moisture content, water activity, density, and shrinkage while increasing volume. Dried papaya, available in chunks, strips, and bits, makes a convenient, long-lasting, and nutritious snack. With its extended shelf life, it's perfect for on-the-go enjoyment. Here's why it's good for you. 1. Constipation. Fresh papaya is known for its laxative effects, and luckily for us, the dried version of the fruit retains these properties. According to studies, papaya dried on a foam mat is often used as a major ingredient in laxative drinks to supply fiber to the body and provide a natural solution to constipation. In fact, those dealing with constipation can easily try a couple of pieces of dried papaya and consume it with warm milk to get their bowels moving. 2. Liver. Research indicates that dried papaya, much like fresh papaya, also exerts a protective effect on the liver. Rats treated with dried papaya showed signs of protection against toxins to a considerable extent and formed normal hepatic cells. It also lessened liver damage and decreased serum bilirubin levels. 3. Inflammation. Studies show that treating papaya with calcium lactase before drying enhances quality by reducing moisture, water activity, and shrinkage while increasing volume. Dried papaya, available in chunks, strips, and bits, is a convenient, long-lasting, and nutritious snack, perfect for on-the-go enjoyment. Here's why it's good for you. 4. Improves eyesight. Since vitamin A is a heat-stable vitamin, it is preserved very well in dried papaya. Vitamin A, along with carotenoids, is very good for maintaining eye health. A study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology suggests that a diet abundant in fruits with antioxidants, vitamins, and carotenoids is excellent for eye health. It also reduces the risk of age-related maculopathy, an eye disease caused by damage to the macula, the part of the eye that provides us with our central vision. 5. Asthma. Low dietary antioxidants are linked to allergic diseases like asthma. Vitamin A and carotenoids in dried papaya may help reduce airway inflammation. A 2009 study found that low vitamin A levels in asthmatic children can worsen the condition.